Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi po naman, Father.
Ngayong araw po, ginugunita natin ang kapistahan ni Saint James the Apostle. Sa Tagalog po, ang pangalan niya ay Santiago. Medyo malayo, no? Saint James sa Tagalog. San Santiago the Apostle. Also known as Saint James the Greater. So ngayon po ay kapistahan ng dati kong parokya. Yung pinakauna kong parokya as a deacon and as a priest. I stayed there for 5 years. 5 years sa parokya ngayon. Si Santiago, ang kanyang mga magulang ay si Zebedee at ang kanyang Zebedee at saka si Salome. Ang kanyang kapatid ay si Saint John the Beloved Disciple. Yung bukasyon nila, tinawag po sila ni Jesus while fishing with their father. At nung tinawag sila, yung response nila was immediate. Iniwan nila yung kanilang tatay at sumama o sumunod kay Jesus. And while they were with Jesus, marami silang naranasang mga milagro na ginawa ni Jesus. Halimbawa dito, nung ni-raise o binuhay muli ni Jesus yung anak ni Jairus. They were there. Yung transfiguration event, nandun si Santiago. At sa buhay ni San Santiago, pagkatapos nung resurrection, he went to Spain to preach. He died by sword sa pamamagitan ng espada sa Jerusalem. He was beheaded by Herod. So pinugutan po siya pinutulan ng ulo. And so he died as a martyr. Sa ating gospel, ngayong araw, atin pong narinig na yung ina ni Santiago at Saint John ay may hiniling kay Jesus. She requested. Sabi niya, Panginoon, sana pagdating ng panahon, ang umupo sa kaliwa at kanan mo ay yung mga anak ko. And it was quite insensitive kasi nandun yung ibang mga apostles. Humiling po siya kay Jesus. And I think it's a good thing naman to ask na makaupo sa kanan at kaliwa ni Jesus. It was a courageous request. Pero, alam nyo, prior to this, alam na nila Santiago and John na sinabihan sila ni Jesus na ang buhay ko, iaalay ko sa mga tao. Maghihirap ako, magdudusa ako, mamamatay ako, pagtatawanan ako ng maraming tao. I will be crucified to death. But on the third day, I will rise up again. Alam to ng mga apostol. Mababasa natin ito sa Ebanghelyo ni San Mateo, chapter 20, verses 18 to 19. Ibig mo sabihin, alam nila na ang pagsunod kay Jesus ay hindi isang madaling buhay. Marami pong challenges at paghihirap. Yet, kahit na alam nila, they wanted to remain close to Jesus. Isa sa kaliwa at isa sa kanan. They wanted to remain close to Jesus. Kahit mahirap, they wanted to stay closer to Him. Ito yung masasabi nating mga totoong devotee, di ba? For better or for worse. I would like to stay close, even closer to you, my God. They wanted to stay closer to Jesus. Siguro kung tayo yun, pag sinabihang, gusto mong sumunod sa akin, mamamatay ako, maghihirap ka na ako, mauna ka na. Sabihin natin siguro, di ba? Pero sina Santiago at Juan, hindi, I will stay closer. We will stay closer to you. One at your right, one at your left. Yan pong ibig sabihin nun. Each of us, I think, should learn from this two, from Santiago and St. John. Kahit na medyo selfish yung request nila, it was a courageous request. A courageous request. At ang lesson, aral na mapupulot natin na bilang tagasunod kay Kristo, let us imitate Saint James, who stayed through thick and thin with Jesus.